Do you want to try Bitcoin securely and don't know which platform to use? Or do you want to buy it with low fees and don't know where to find it? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will introduce you to the best platforms to buy Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies safely and with fewer fees. So sit back and watch this video until the end. Let's get to the heart of the matter. Before buying Bitcoin, privacy and security are important issues for Bitcoin investors. Anyone who obtains the private key to a public address on the Bitcoin blockchain can authorize transactions. Private keys must be kept secret because criminals may try to steal them if they discover that there are large funds. Be aware that anyone can see the balance of a public address you use. The downside of this public information is that an individual can create multiple public addresses for themselves. This way they can spread their Bitcoin stash over many addresses. A good strategy is to keep large investments at public addresses that are not directly connected to those used for transactions. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that is rapidly growing in popularity and has seen wild swings in its price along the way. It has been a rollercoaster ride, especially in the last few years, with many traders diving into Bitcoin, some making millions. If you are considering this decentralized version of digital money, you have several ways to buy Bitcoin. You can buy them directly or indirectly from a few traditional brokers as well as newcomers. It's easier than ever to buy Bitcoins, and you can probably do it with a lower commission than before. If you're looking to trade Bitcoin, the good news is that you now have several options. You may not even need to operate a separate dedicated account to do so, as many major brokers offer a way to buy them. Here are some of the best brokers for cryptocurrency trading. In addition, some expected platforms like PayPal and Cash App, for example, now allow US residents to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoins as well. Each method below offers a different combination of costs, safety, and potential benefits or drawbacks. So here is the fifth platform we will use to buy cryptocurrency. Number 5. PayPal. PayPal makes it extremely easy to buy or sell Bitcoins directly using the same app you trust for your online payments. You pay 50 cents for transactions under $25, and from there, PayPal uses a sliding commission scale and starts at 2.3% for transactions over $25 and drops to 1.5% for transactions over $1,000. While there is a spread markup on transactions, you won't pay a fee for holding cryptocurrencies in your account, and you can trade as little as $1 at a time. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are also tradable on PayPal. Number 4. Coinbase. Coinbase is a specialized exchange for cryptocurrencies that allows you to own digital currencies directly. You'll be able to trade dozens of the most popular cryptos, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, and Ethereum. For added security, Coinbase also allows you to store your coins in a vault with delayed withdrawals. They charge a 0.5% spread fee and add a transaction fee that varies depending on the funding source and the size of the transaction. This fee typically adds about 1.49% to your costs, but even more with a debit card. The fee structure is confusing to say the least, although Coinbase promises to show you what you're paying for before you have to make the payment. The exchange's Pro platform is cheaper, however. 3. Trading applications. You can pick up some Bitcoins without direct commission using a trading app such as Webull or Robinhood, although you will end up compensating with a spread markup. Robinhood takes its best trick with a commission-free system and applies it to cryptocurrency, but it charges a spread markup, the exact cost of which it does not reveal. You'll be able to buy Bitcoin directly and also have access to other digital currencies, a feature that other brokers listed here don't offer. Of course, you'll be able to buy stocks, ETFs, and options while you're on the easy-to-use platform. As for Webull, you can trade over 20 cryptos, including Bitcoin. However, you will pay a 1% spread markup on each trade. You can also trade stocks, ETFs, and options. 2. Interactive brokers. At interactive brokers, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin futures and trade the coin directly. The broker charges $10.02 per futures contract, which gives you exposure to 5 Bitcoins. If you want to trade Bitcoin directly, you pay a competitive commission of 0.12 to 0.18% of the value of your trade, depending on your monthly volume. You will also have access to Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Interactive brokers offer a range of other tradable securities, giving you access to securities around the world. 1. Bitcoin vending machine. Another option is to buy Bitcoins directly through a Bitcoin ATM, although you'll probably pay a lot more in commissions than you would elsewhere. You'll be able to buy Bitcoins, and some ATMs will also allow you to sell them for cash or debit card, but you may need a Bitcoin wallet to complete the transaction. Commissions can be expensive, with some ATMs charging around 7% per transaction, while fees in others can extend into the teens. Now let's talk about something a little more interesting. When thinking about how to buy Bitcoin, you will want to evaluate several factors, as they should influence your choice of where to buy it or avoid it completely. By owning Bitcoin directly on some platforms, your profile increases by $1 for every increase in the dollar currency. On the other hand, with futures contracts, you can earn much faster without having to place as much capital. However, your downside is more limited by holding directly, while you can lose more money with futures. The second factor is cost. Commissions can vary greatly depending on how you buy your Bitcoin. Futures contracts allow you to get a large chunk of the stock at a relatively low price, while some brokers may charge you several percent to buy direct. A few percent may not seem like much, but if you're trading in and out of the market, it will eat into your profits quickly. The third factor is security. One of the biggest concerns with any investment is making sure it is secure. Some new cryptocurrency investors have had serious security issues. For example, Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, was hacked for thousands of Bitcoins in 2019. More traditional brokers may offer better security, as they have been dealing with the problem for much longer. You can also receive Bitcoins in business transactions. Regardless of how you get your coins, any transaction in cryptocurrency must be reported to the IRS at tax time. If you are looking to buy Bitcoin or other digital currencies as an investment, it is important to keep costs to a minimum. Given the newness of crypto market, many brokers would like to maximize their commissions, unlike the stock market where trading fees have gone to zero. These fees reduce your profits, so look for a way to minimize these frictional costs. Although the price of Bitcoin has risen rapidly, it still carries serious risks that makes it unsuitable for everyone. Those looking for conservative investments or who can't afford to lose money should consider avoiding Bitcoin, or only trading with an amount that they are willing to lose, and most importantly, find a good wallet to secure their assets. Why not MetaMask wallet? We made a video about it. In this video, you will learn how MetaMask wallet works, and maybe you will choose it to secure your different cryptocurrencies. All you have to do now is click on the thumbnail that appears at the end of this video to access the video on MetaMask wallet. I must first issue a disclaimer. This is not financial advice, as I am not a financial consultant. This is my own opinion and not financial advice. Before investing in any of the various cryptocurrencies available, please do your research and due diligence. This video was created to help you easily understand the topic with our animated explanations.